G'day mates, this is First Team 3132, the Thunder Down Under from Sydney, Australia, and this is our third week of 5 Awesome Robots. Dear viewer, before we start, I have to say sorry. We didn't upload last week's 5-hour episode.
It's going to be okay. Alright.
We messed up the audio. We just couldn't do it. Anyway. Starting this week, Rhiannon is going to talk to us a little bit about what's been happening with the robot.
So this week in Robotland, we've had the catapult being added to the drive base. So we're actually starting to mold our robot together. And we've got an interview with Cassie about that now.
Since last week, we've been changing the placement of pneumatic where we've attached it to the drive base up and down to see if it changes how we fire the ball into the goal.
Yeah, so Mark Bell is just going to be talking about what's been going on in software, so let's go to the interview now!
We're building a program for everybody to use, and it goes on the robot stereo, and as the robot is running it will take inputs and outputs and generally log everything that goes on in the robot so that we can have a more in-depth debugging process. So it's being released to all the teams in first, and I suppose anyone who wants to take it and use it for other stuff.
Alright, and the last and final thing that we have to talk about today is media. So we have a couple of projects going on, as we talked about in our first episode of 5IR. We have our Chairman's video, and we have Project Asimov, and we also have 5AR. They're kind of our main projects at the moment. Chairman.
So we went up to a student study area and down to Macquarie Lake, and we were setting up shots we wanted to take. So getting the camera where we wanted it, the microphone where we wanted it, people where we wanted them, setting it up nicely so we knew what we wanted.
What were we doing with Project Asimov?
With Project Asimov, we're still editing new videos and we are creating an intro for the videos.
So that's all from Rhiannon, James and Emily. Thank you.
Bye guys.